finally back here at CSA after 2 years, and today I'm with my fiance Devin.
Hi, my name is Devin, and I'm from the United States. Today I'm here with my beautiful fiance Liana. We are super excited to try out the Hollywood Spectra so that we can look like the best version of ourselves for our upcoming wedding.
We're gonna be getting married in about 2 weeks, so for today we're gonna be doing a couples treatment. We're gonna do a skin tightening procedure called Ulthera Prime and a skin smoothing and brightening called Hollywood Spectra, so we can look and feel our best on our special day. The reason why we chose CSA is because they really care about our needs. They really personalize treatments based on our skin texture and facial symmetry.
I choose CSA because I have seen the results firsthand on my beautiful wife over here, Liana, and I just wanted to try it out for myself.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell.
Good day, everyone. Welcome to the CSA Medical Aesthetics. I'm Dr. Contessa, your certified aesthetic physician. In today's episode, we have special guests, okay, with us right now. Beside me, Dr. John Mark. Say
Hello.
hi.
Hi, I'm John Mark Cabona from Arkansas,
Yes,
USA.
he was with us already in one episode.
Yes.
And then, our returning model, Liana
Hi,
Laughlin.
everyone.
And together with
My fiance.
the fiance,
Hello, I'm Devin
Yay! Welcome.
from Hawaii.
Wow. How are you? They just arrived like 2 days ago.
Yep.
And also Doc arrived a few days ago.
This morning.
This morning, okay? So everybody's traveling here. And actually we're here because we're having a preparation for a big event for these two. What's the event again?
We're gonna be having our wedding 2 weeks from now.
Wow. There you go.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Excited?
Yeah, feeling very excited and grateful to be here because we have Dr. Contessa to work her magic on us so we can feel good and feel beautiful on our special day.
I'm kind of still like, I can't believe it that time flies so fast, you know. When Liana started with me, she was only like 16?
16, yeah.
And now she's, how young?
I'm 23.
Imagine that. She was only in high school when I first met her. She was a baby. And of course, during that time, because you were already joining some pageants, right? And we were doing treatments, the non-surgical and more of enhancement thing. Because she's so pretty, she's so beautiful already. It's just, you know, still highlighting the beautiful parts of her face.
Yeah.
But now, it's a different stage, okay? From the teenager Liana that I know, now getting married and
Yeah.
kind of I'm still, you know, I want to go on the party. Anyway, so we're here to give them a treatment to prepare them on their big day. And of course, we want to know what kind of procedures, what kind of treatment can we give for them to look their best during that day. And considering it's just 2 weeks, right? We don't want anything with a long downtime. We don't want anything that they look like bruised or like there's or swollen or so many marks there. We just want them to have refreshed skin, rejuvenated, and very confident during that day.
And
What do you
natural.
think? What do you think, Devin?
I'm super excited.
Yeah.
Can't wait to try it out.
Actually, Devin, I think you don't need it because you're so handsome already.
Thank you so much.
Plus, you know, here in our region, they want to have white skin.
Oh, yeah.
They want to have that light skin. If you have white, light skin here, people are saying you're so handsome, you're so beautiful. Even Liana, her skin is already light, right?
Yeah.
So we wanted to do a skincare treatment with no downtime. So of course, with no downtime, we don't need any of those sharp needles or anything. We have devices, we have like facial treatments, we have something to improve more. You're already good looking.
Yeah.
You just wanna like also have that clear skin, okay? No marks. John Mark?
Yes.
John Mark has a glowing skin right now. He just
Yeah,
had a
that's
Ridgeron and Sculptra, okay?
And
So
no
he did a
signs of
procedure.
swelling.
Yeah, no
Wow.
sign of swelling. Like I was impressed. We did Sculptra on
Yes.
him a few days ago, but look at
Before I went to
you.
South Korea.
Yeah, actually
It was
just arrived
last
from
week.
Korea.
Yeah.
Okay, so what kind of treatment, what procedure, we'll show you when we return. And we're back. So we're starting with Liana, the bride, Dr. John Mark. So we're doing the Ultherapy treatment. This is already the Ultera Prime, the latest device of Ultherapy. So you can see the machine, it's different right now. And I think it's the speed is like, you know, faster as compared to the Ultera Legacy. And Liana already had these treatments before, remember? We were doing V-contour, we were doing like slimming, contouring, narrowing of the face, and in the past she already had some lip filler, some under eye, some nose enhancement, even this part here, right? The masseter here. And so we are starting with our Ultherapy here. So I'll be targeting the jowl first. So for this kind of treatment, Dr. John Mark, it has been like in my practice, it's really like a lot of patients are asking for it, for this kind of treatment, because the results, they appreciate the result. Like others, like in 2 weeks, 4 weeks, up to 12 weeks, they're seeing the improvement in the skin quality as well. Not only in the contour, shape of the face, but overall skin texture, skin quality, they're appreciating the result because it also has the collagen stimulation. How's the feeling, Liana?
Painless.
Painless, right? So actually, the report for this one, my patients were telling me that compared to the Ultera Legacy, they were saying that this is kind of a lot more tolerable, okay? Because people are like afraid of the Ultera being, like they said that it's painful, but it's not. And this one will give you that contoured face, narrower face, lifted, firmer, and good skin texture, good skin quality, especially on your big day. You're excited?
Very.
Of course, right? So we're doing the right side first, and I'll be combining with the so-called masseter, Botox. We'll be injecting the botulinum toxin to kind of reduce the size of the masseter to further slim the face of Liana. And then we'll target some of her forehead dynamic lines. We told Liana that we can see already some dynamic lines already. So we wanted to kind of get rid of this because aging starts at, they were saying 20 right now. Before they were saying 25, right now 20. Like yearly, you're having a depletion of your collagen 1 to 2% every year. So from the age of 20s, so you're 23, so you have 3% reduced collagen. Okay, I'll do the 1.5. I'll be doing the combination for this one. So we'll be shifting to the 1.5. So we are targeting it's a multi-layered approach. So we targeted a while ago the subcutaneous fat layer. Now we'll target the fibroblast layer to tighten and firm the skin. So I'm just going to be delivering more shots here. And Liana just arrived 2 days ago, so kind of we need also the acne marks, right? We will treat the acne marks as well. We can combine with those like Hollywood laser, Hollywood carbon laser. We can also treat those red marks and the active or inflamed acne. You good? So we'll just deliver like 20 shots of this in here. Then we'll also combine with the under chin later on. After this, I'll finish up with the Botox and then upper third Botox. So we just need to complete 6 more lines here. So the mechanism of action of your Ultherapy is a so-called thermal coagulation. So it delivers a certain thermal energy. It heats up those subcutaneous tissues plus the dermal fibroblast layer to stimulate or activate the fibroblasts to synthesize new collagen. Okay, so then I'll do my injection. So disinfect the area, please. So I'll just change my gloves. So we wanted to kind of somehow reduce the masseter size. Some people have hypertrophic masseter, so we want to narrow it. We want to feminize, make Liana's face more feminine and slimmer, smaller, right? I think right now our models are doing like a smaller face, like the size of the palm of your hand. Is that right, Liana? You remember when you were in the joining beauty pageants, right? So I'm gonna be targeting just the masseter here, going like posterior. I want to avoid the anterior part because there's a risorius muscle that's inserted on the anterior masseter here. I'm just gonna be injecting like 20 units here, just to relax the muscle here. Okay, you can do 3-point injection or 4-point or 5-point injection. Okay, and let me finish up with the forehead injection of our wrinkles here. Can you frown for me first, Liana? Frown. This one. Yeah. This one. Yeah, there. That one. Okay, just a little bit here. Okay, to get rid of the so-called 11 line. Okay, just a little bit those here so you don't have the line here. Can you smile for me? Like your soon-to-be, the groom is tickling you. Oh, you're not being tickled, huh? Okay. I don't see any crow feet there, but we'll just work on the forehead region. Okay, this one. I'll just finish up with this and then we'll proceed with the other side. So this is more of the superficial injection and targeting the frontalis muscle so it doesn't cause this dynamic wrinkle. Okay, then let's proceed to the left side. And we are done. We'll proceed to Devin. And we are with Devin right now. So what we're going to do for Devin is to work in the so-called periorbital region. We noticed a while ago that the skin here was kind of already loose. So if you do pinching like that, it's starting to have this laxity here. And there's actually tear trough as well. But sometimes it runs in the family having this kind of under eye problem. Right, Devin? Is it in your family too?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So you'll notice the skin is becoming thinner over time. It's loose, so it tends to bulge. So what we want to do is a non-surgical treatment. It's called Ultherapy. We'll work on the area, the eye area here, to tighten and firm the skin and stimulate collagen. So we're using the Ultherapy with a 1.5 millimeter depth to target the dermis where you have your fibroblast. So it's just gonna be here onto the skin and just like a test shot first. How's that, Devin?
It's not too bad.
Okay, so I'm just gonna work under eye area, deliver like 15 shots of this, 15 lines. Okay, so we'll be from lateral, working from lateral to the medial. Okay, And usually like in a week or two, we see some skin improvement already with this one. Then it will still further improve up to 12 weeks. Yeah. A while ago, I asked Devin, do you sleep early? Or there are sleepless nights? Sometimes with the work, right?
Yeah, definitely don't get as much sleep as I would like.
Yeah. Like usually, how many hours of sleep?
On average, I'd say 6.
6, yeah. Well, the recommended sleeping time, 6 to 8 hours, right? Which is good already. So some eye problems, like genetic is the #1 thing that you look into. And then, well, our lifestyle, you know, hours of sleep. And then, they say the structural aging also, like as time passes by, you know, we lose collagen, and over time the skin will have less of this skin components, less of those structures. And then after this, we'll be doing some improvement of the skin quality. We'll be giving Liana and Devin here the so-called Hollywood laser treatment. So it's gonna tighten the skin, close pores, and improve the skin texture as well. Well, with Liana, she still has this some of the pimple marks. So she's still a teenager, huh, Devin? She's still having the pimples.
Oh yeah.
She's still a baby. Okay, so we're just delivering few shots here, and then I'm also gonna work on a little bit on the upper eyelid just to also improve the skin condition there. Do some tightening and firming. So when we work on the eye area, we use the 1.5mm transducer here. So we just want this to be not loose. We just want to firm the skin and stimulate collagen here. Just a little bit of shots here. And this is the so-called peri-orbital rejuvenation. You can do this like a week or 2 weeks before the event. No downtime for this one. It's a quick procedure, easy to perform. Plus again, the mechanism of action is so-called like inducing the so-called thermal coagulation. Again, we want to do some dermal remodeling as well, and the effect will be skin tightening, firming, and lifting. And stay young, right, Devin?
Mm-hmm.
Stay young forever. And look, you're gonna be the most handsome groom that day. 2 weeks from now. How are you feeling, Devin? You're good?
Yep.
Yeah. Because preparing for a wedding is kind of, some are nervous, some are like,
Stressful sometimes.
some are excited, mixed feelings.
I'm excited.
Excited, right? There you go. We're all excited.
How many guests do you have, David?
200 plus.
Yeah, you're gonna have to ask those questions.
Yeah.
Liana.
It's like the whole
Yes.
neighborhood.
So we've done all therapy, peri-orbital, and we'll still do another treatment, the so-called Hollywood laser peel. We'll show the treatment when we return. And we are back. So I think it's time to, well, let's give a mirror to this couple so that they can just see if there's like a problem on their face or anything had changed already. So actually we just did a treatment that is non-surgical and non-invasive. It's nothing, it's just a machine, it's a device. But with Liana, we did some injections for the masseter muscle and the frontalis and these corrugators and the procerus just to relax and get rid of the lines. Because we were discussing a while ago that for women, it's a no-no to have lines and wrinkles for us, okay? Yeah. But for men, it's acceptable. It's fine. It's fine to have some of those lines. It adds to your masculinity, and it tells people of your years of what? Experience. Or wisdom. There you go. And so we want Liana to have this wrinkle-free face, wrinkle-free skin. And also the so-called Hollywood Spectra is targeting also inflamed acne, red marks, and even like dark spots there. And for Kevin also, it will also help collagen stimulation again, tighten and firm the skin and close pores. So just look natural, still you, the best you on your big day.
It's a very good experience in my opinion because I've experienced the Ulthera before, the original one, and I felt more pain in that, and this one I just felt the machine touch my skin.
Right.
Completely painless.
Yeah,
so
that's
I really love that. Yeah.
Correct. And about the shots here and the shots here.
The Jotox and what do you call the one?
The forehead Botox and the glabella Botox.
It was a little bit painful, but it's tolerable.
Yeah,
She has very gentle hands, so she did it very quick.
Right.
Experience.
Yeah, because there's a sharp needle there, you know, you feel the sharpness of that needle thing, but you know, it's very tolerable.
Yeah.
I inject my forehead Botox with no anesthesia cream, right? Just a quick jab there and it's done. How about you, Devin?
I was very surprised, honestly, because I figured this eye area is very sensitive. The skin is very thin. The most I felt was a little bit warm, but besides that, there was no actual pain.
Right, yeah. Because, you know, it has a certain temperature. This one, it's called a thermal energy. We need to have a 60 degrees Celsius to remodel the collagen in the skin, you know. As time passes by, we lose a lot of collagen. In your skin, it's the most abundant protein, around 80 to 85%. But, you know, yearly, it gets depleted like at 1 to 2%. And for women, like when we reach like my age, 50s, 30% is reduced, you know. That's why the earlier you start, the better. You still kind of maintain that health, what do you call this? Skin's health, plus like the normal cells doing their functions. You know, the cells also becomes, we call it senescent. They age, they kind of become lazy over time if you're not helping them or doing anything to maintain the health of your skin.
And the new thing now, Dr.
Right.
Is what we call pre-rejuvenation.
Pre-rejuvenation. Don't wait for deep lines, deep wrinkles, deep folds, deep like whatever, like sagginess, laxity to occur. Because if it's already severe, you need more treatments for that one, and you might end up getting a surgery, okay? And a lot of people are not into surgical procedure because it will alter your anatomy, and of course there are risks involved with opening and a downtime that's long. And these two are, you know, the big event is 2 weeks from now, and they don't need a long downtime. There you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much as well.
Like at least we have this souvenir also for us, okay? Considering like Liana had been with us like a long time already. We're so grateful that you stayed with us. Like, you know, I realized that my models are getting married. Because prior to this, also Kim, Liana, right? They're getting married, and another model is getting married. Another model there. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you, John Mark.
Thank you,
Okay,
Dr. Contessa.
we'll see more of him.
Nice to meet you both.
Nice to meet you, Doctor.
Best wishes for both of you.
Yes,
Thank you.
best
Appreciate
wishes
you.
and congratulations. Your clinic, you may want to share your clinic
so
address.
my clinic is located, I expanded my clinic in Hot Springs, Arkansas. So I offer several services from injectables like Botox, derma fillers. I do also IV infusions with antioxidants. I also have lasers and RF microneedling for skin rejuvenation, pre-rejuvenations, and many more. In January, we're gonna also offer hormone replacement therapy and also peptide therapy. So just look on our website, embraceeternalbeauty.com, and see you guys hopefully soon in Arkansas.
Congratulations to Doctor on your new clinic.
Thank you.
Right? Okay, and with CSA, you may also email us at csaskinclinic@yahoo.com and our FB page CSA Medical Aesthetics, Instagram CSA Medical Aesthetics. Our clinic is located here at the Infinity Shop, Pulong Margol, Angeles City. Contact number 0933-860-9193 or 0917-504-4268. Liana, do you have like a social media that they can follow you?
You guys can follow me at Lana Marie Wood in Instagram for relationship coaching.
There you go. And we don't need the Instagram of the care of
You won't be able to find it.
Okay, there you go. So watch our other videos, our other episodes. You can also review the episodes of Liana there. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you all. When it comes to natural beauty, you can trust the CSA Medical Aesthetics.